Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch screen from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This LED kit including 2 LED strips, 1 LED drivers, 1 6-pin pigtail connectors. So let's set aside a LCD kit. Take a look at the screen. This is a 15-inch screen, original equipped with the 4 CCFL lamp, 2 on top, 2 on bottoms. It's made by Toshiba. Okay, the screen part number is LTA150B851F. LTA150B851F. So to upgrade from CCFL to our UB54 series for this particular screen is quite simple. First, we have to remove the reflectors that hold in the backlight lamp. This reflector is actually holding by 1 screw. So each end have 1 screw. So you unscrew it, remove the screw. You just simply grab the wire and just pull out the reflectors. So basically, the other end do the same. You unscrew it, you pull out. Let's take a look at our LED strips. You see this? You can mount it right back because on the bottom is flat. Okay, so we can mount right by the bottoms. So you can measure it before you remove the backlight lamp. So this is the kind of marking you can mount between. Next thing, take out a CCFL lamp. Let's see how this was mounted. Okay, let me use this tree a little bit here. Okay, oops, damage it. But let me see what's going on here. Okay, oh, I gotta peel this thing off. See that? This thing covers the wires underneath that. Okay, so we had to loosen up this wire. You see this? 1 return wires. So, and again, try to take it off. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, and then look out this end. Same thing. Push this end out. Yep. Okay. So, okay. Take it out. Let me pull a little bit more. Yep. That loosen it up. Here we go. Take it out. Right. So, and then we had to, this one is a little bit not flat because it was before was covered by this black tape. So let's see how we can mount. You still can mount it on the top. It won't fall off. You just make sure. Yep, you still can mount on the top. No problem. Just peel it off. And mount it in between. So let me get a flat screwdriver. Just push in, put it in center. You push it down, you push it down, push it down, push it down. 1 section at a time. Sticks pretty good. See that? All right. So then you just slice right back. Put the screw back. And then you secure the LED wire. See like this? See how easy it is? So for this section, you just repeat the exactly same procedures. And for this LED drive, you can connect to either end, doesn't matter. Okay. So this one comes with 6-pin pigtail. Red is for the input voltage. Black is for ground. White is for adjustment. Usually no connection, but yellow is very important. You need to apply anyway between 3 to 5 volts. You can find all this supply voltage on your existing inverter wire harness. Okay, thank you for watching.